I am going to show you how to do the competitor analysis for any website on SEMrush. For example, when you go to the SEMrush dashboard, type URL. So it will show you the overall overview of the domain. For example, it has organic search traffic 1.6k. It has authority score 45. It has total number of backlinks 106k. Okay, so it will show you the overview of, for example, the main organic competitors, the organic keywords from where we are getting traffic, like this. In order to check the competitor or do the competitor analysis, you have to go to the main organic competitors. Okay, click on it. It will show you the most competing competitors. Okay, the top five with a graph. For example, this is the total traffic, monthly traffic, and these are the competitors. For example, this one has 825 traffic monthly. This one has 2500 traffic. Our website has 1180 traffic. So this website is at top. It is getting traffic above 13,000 per month. Okay. So kcall.com has a traffic of 4,000 per month. This is the whole list of all the competitors. Basically, this list is made according to the keywords we have used. For example, we have common keywords about 60 with the kcall.com. So this website has also used the same keywords that we have used, uh, and they are 60. If you want to check those keywords, you can left click and then open it in a editor. Otherwise, it will take you to the keywords tab. So that's why it is good to open it in a new tab. You can see that keyword gap. It will show you the keywords that uh, both these websites have common. Okay, you can see that it is shared. There are 60 total links. You can see that this is the person and this is the position for this keyword. For example, our website is coming at fourth position and Paywall is coming at third position. Okay, and the total volume for this keyword is 880. Okay, for example, this keyword, and you will see that about third or fourth will be Kekal. Actually, I guess it is the IP address issue because I am using Pakistan IP address. So that's why. Main thing is the position of the keywords. For example, if we are coming at third position or fourth position, then we will get about 10% traffic only. If we are in first or second position, then we will get about 50 to 60% traffic. So that's the difference. You can see KCall is coming at about fourth or fifth position, and after that, our website is here. Okay. So in this way, the keywords are analyzed and their position is shown in the SEMrush. For example, for this keyword we are at number 6 and the cable is at 19. So for some keywords we are at top positions. For example, for this keyword we are at second position, but total volume for this keyword is just 220. So in this way, you can analyze the keywords that our competitors have in common with us, and what is the current status of those keywords, that which website is ranking for those keywords at higher positions. So in this way, you can check the keywords. Okay. You can also check the total SEO keywords that this website is using. For example, KCall has 2.1, okay, and Tigerless has 937. Mostly the traffic that they are getting depends on the keywords they use. So that is the main focus. So we have to use better keywords to increase our traffic. I will show you this later in the video. The second thing is to analyze the competitors now. For example, if you want to analyze this, you just have to click on it. I am opening first four competitors for now. So it will show you the total organic research for this website now, kcall.com. So in this way, now you can analyze the competitor, that what keywords they have used and what is the total traffic they are getting. For example, that is getting the traffic of 4.3k. Its traffic cost is approximately 8.7. This is the graph showing the traffic according to the months or years. It is showing according to days. These are the total keywords from which this website is getting traffic. For example, this keyword is giving approximately 44.6% traffic. You can check the keywords that this website has used. So these are the total keywords. Okay. So this is the volume that this keyword has. Insurance. So this is the main keyword that they are focusing and getting approximately this traffic, and they are ranked number one for this keyword. Exactly for this keyword they are number one. So that's the difference. They are at number one position and they are getting approximately 6 or 70% traffic for this keyword. So the main factor that affects the traffic of a website is the focus keywords that you have used in your website. For example, they have focused on the option insurance. Yeah, option insurance. Vehicle insurance. They are getting approximately 2000 traffic from just this keyword, option insurance. For example, if you type this keyword in Google and see, this is their website is coming at first. So this is the main reason that they are getting traffic from these keywords. So they have ranked high at the first position for these keywords only, for these 3 to 4 keywords only. So most of their traffic is from, about 60% of their traffic is from these keywords. So we have to do the similar. We have to focus on some keywords for, and to rank first or second position for those keywords. Then our traffic will be increased in huge amounts. Okay. So their main focus is on the auction, and while other pages are getting just 3 to 4 links per day, 3 to 4 hits per day. The main traffic of keycall.com is from just these 3 to 4 keywords only. So this is the organic uh, keywords difference. Go back. Second thing that affects the traffic is the backlink analysis. Okay. You can see that their main pages are these, their home page, because they have ranked the Hapshing insurance keyword on their homepage. So that's why most of their traffic is going to their homepage. Here are the competitors. Now let's do the backlink analysis, because second factor that affects the traffic is the backlink analysis of this domain. Now it will open up the backlink analysis for the kcall.net. Okay, you can see that total referring domains from where they are getting backlinks is 905. Their authority score is 44. Their backlinks are 211k. That is a huge amount, and it is increased by 50k in last 30 days. So that means that they are getting backlinks continuously to their website for getting higher rankings. So that's the plus point for this website to get traffic and ranking. You can see the referring domains are increasing per month. It means that they are doing the SEO continuously. These are the new backlinks that they have achieved in March 2021. It means in last month they have achieved 50,000 backlinks. This is the authority score. For example, these are the backlinks authority score. For example, about 56% of their backlinks have authority score of 10 to 20. Okay, the higher the score, the more the possibility of the top rankings. And the main thing in the backlinks is the follow and do follow uh, percentage. For example, they have a follow percentage of 39 and they have no follow percentage of 61. That is a very plus point, because follow links are useless. They don't affect the website rankings, but no follow links affect the website rankings a lot. So this is the main factor for higher rankings. You have more number of no follow backlinks. So this is a, you can say, our website has about 1% of no follow backlinks only. So that is the bad factor for our website. Okay, so in this way you can do the backlink analysis and keyword analysis for your competitors. Now I am going to show you the analysis for our website. Okay, the keywords are done, backlink analysis is done. The second thing is backlink analysis. Here you can also do the comparison between the competitors in the backlink analysis. For example, our authority score is 45, that is good. Our reference are 945. Our backlinks are 106k. They has been decreased by 92.8k since last month. So our backlinks are decreased a lot. Our monthly visits are these. Our keywords are these. We have approximately same domain authority scores from the backlinks like the keycall, but the difference is here. For example, we have about 99% of follow backlinks, while no follow backlinks are just 10%, and that is a, you can say, bad factor. We have just useless backlinks on our website. They don't affect the ranking. Let's compare with our competitors. And okay, now let's compare the backlinks for these four websites. Okay, you can see the authority score of our website is greater. It is 45, while the referring domains of this website is greater, while backlinks of Kcall are greater, monthly visits of Kcall are greater, and keywords of Kcall are greater. So in this way, they have compared the your website with your competitors. You can see here these are the categories from which we are getting the backlinks. These are the total scores. For example, we have 81 to 100, a 30 score backlink just two, and people has three. So in this way, they have compared all the competitors with your website. So this was all related to the competitor analysis because these are the two main factors, the keywords and the backlinks that affects the rankings in the search engines. While I was making a search on our website, the main you can say drawback uh, I got is the keywords that we have used. Uh, the other websites have used the good keywords for their rankings. For example, if I show you, this website is getting approximately uh, 8,000 traffic from just this keyword AM13. I guess it is their brand name, so that's why they are getting all the traffic from this. So we have to, for the new domains, especially for the new domains, we have to specify our keywords first so that we can get the traffic accordingly. For example, if we write Red Blue Card, these are the monthly searches in the United States for the related keywords. For example, this Medicare red, white, and blue card has approximately 800 volume. For example, this if you type this keyword, then users are typing this keyword approximately 800 times in Google search. Okay, this has ICPC. This has less competition. So we can easily rank for this keyword for our new website if we are going to target the English people. So then we will use the English keywords. When I was analyzing the keywords, the Chinese keywords have very less traffic. For example, if I write this, these are the keywords that we have used in our website. Healthcare. For healthcare, the total number of traffic is this 880. Okay, if you use Great Health, First Health, then it has a traffic of 880. Okay, but our website is getting traffic from this keyword also, but we are at about third or fourth position for this keyword. If we will focus on this keyword and acquire the first position, then we will get approximately 500 to 600 visits from just this keyword. Let me show you the keyword analysis for our website. When you go to the organic search, then you can click on the keywords and you will see that what keywords we are getting traffic. For example, for this keyword, we are coming at about fourth position. For this keyword, we are getting at about first position, and this is the traffic that we are getting from these keywords. White card. You can see the first, we came at about third position, and we are getting about 1.27 traffic. If we will rank for it at the first position, then we will get approximately 400 to 500 visits for just this keyword. So in this way, we have to focus our keywords. For example, uh, for the keywords that we are at about third or fifth position, we have to focus on those keywords, especially this one. For example, this keyword has about 5400 traffic, and we are getting at 17. But still, at 17 plus, we are getting approximately 1.77% of our traffic. So in this way, we have to focus on the high traffic keywords, high volume keywords, and do the SEO for those so that our traffic will be increased a lot. because fourth or fifth position only get about 10% traffic. I am not good with Chinese, so it is hard for me to do the keyword analysis. But if you can do it or hire someone to do the keyword analysis and provide me the keywords, then I can ask someone to do the backlinks for those keywords, and we will get large number of we will get high rankings in very less time because I know a person who can help us with that. You can see that these have high search volumes, but our positions are at great numbers. So we are getting no traffic from these, or getting very less traffic. So that's all for the search keywords and complete analysis. For the keywords, if someone can or you or Gwenny can provide me the keywords after analyzing our website, then it would be great. I will hire someone for doing the backlinking of those keywords by doing the white hat SEO and follow backlinks. Okay, do follow backlinks so that they will increase our rankings a lot. I have also made a competitor analysis sheet, but as SEMrush does not allow to export to the Excel or Google Sheet, so that's why it only allows to export it to a PDF. And it, for example, if you want to download the PDF, then you just have to click to export PDF. It will then show you the link to download it, or it will automatically start the download of the PDF. But in PDF, they have shown the results in different way. For example, they have done the backlinks overview. You can see they have shown the analysis in a different way. So I don't think that it would be good to add the screenshots or tables in the Google Sheet. I have added them for you, but it is hard to do it. The best way is to analyze the competitor analysis by yourself, as I have shown you in the video. So that would be easier for you to analyze the current stats of your competitors. I am okay. Okay, that's all.